If you want to hear how I'm doing on my rolling project pan for the month of July, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène with another update. This is my rolling project pan update. And I have to say that unlike my roulette pan collab panning project, I'll put the latest video for that right here, I am doing dismally poorly. Abysmally? I can't remember. All I'm going to say is the progress is not great. So let's make this a very quick update because there are a number of products that for a number of reasons I didn't use. And the biggest reason being my palette collection roulette project now that I do, selecting new products every couple of years. Actually, you, my viewers, are selecting my products every couple of weeks, and that has displaced two significant products in my rolling project pan. So I won't say anything else. Let's just get right into the updates, and I'm going to fly through the products that I haven't used this month. So let's get right into it with the first product. Right away is this butter bronzer, and this is the butter bronzer light. Looks like this. And I also have a Tarte Concept blush. No, it's the Insight blush. And I have now put it into a Boing concealer package. I think it's fantastic to have a little compact because this is my default blush for travel. I have not, no, I think I've used it once this past month. So both duds as far as usage. And I also have these depotted, this is the depotted Rita Hazen for eyebrows. I did not use this once this month. I was way too involved in my AQUA brow palette. I am loving that palette and just totally ignored this. And I have only used this Joe Fresh brow pencil maybe 10 times, but only to fill in little extras where I wasn't using the brow palette products, and so barely used this one as well. And another product that I did not use this month at all, and if you heard my predictions for the last video, you would be kind of surprised. I did not use this AQUA XL from Makeup Forever at all. I have no idea why. I enjoyed using it so much last update. I have no idea why I haven't touched this, and it's really kind of embarrassing because I should have been done with it at this point. So maybe my embarrassment and chastising of myself will make me finish it the next month. I love the product. There's no problem with it. I think maybe it's so small that it goes all the way down in my little bin where I keep all my on-the-go products and my panning products. And maybe I just need to keep it on the counter as a reminder. I don't know why, but I just didn't use it. Now for two products that I did use, and I'm very happy with it. I was even using this one this morning, as a matter of fact. This is the Juicy Tubes by Lancôme, and I used this at least 10 days this month, so I've used quite a bit. And this one I used a handful of times, so not as often, but definitely did use this one as well. And they take a long time. I'm so surprised at how long they take, but I'm definitely not using them as my default lip product, which is probably why they're taking quite a while to finish. And I did not mention, this is the Estée Lauder High Gloss. I don't have the shade name though. Now for a couple of products that I really did finish and did a great job. One of them was housed in here, and it was the end of the last little bit of my Joe Fresh Illuminating Primer. It is officially done, and I did not have much last time, and I managed to absolutely finish it. And it was replaced now. I like the glowy finish added to foundation, so I've continued to do it with just a tiny drop of the Cover FX Moonlight now in the foundation that I'm using. So that is really great. Now I can't show you the empty container because I've refilled this container now with the rest of my Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, but this is the container that was housing the remainder of my Joe Fresh Illuminating Primer. So I'm really happy about that. And now finally, the last product is this. This is the Makeup Forever Y215. It's their HD, Ultra HD foundation. And I don't know if you can tell how it's kind of empty all around here, and there's quite a bit here that's showing. I am in the last little bits of using this product, and my prediction is I have maybe 4 days left because I'm scraping everything in the container. Probably only 4 days left of this, and so I am going to consider it, I'm going to weigh it again, but I'm going to consider it out of the project because I'm going to be done so soon with it, and so it should really make its way out. So 7 products are going to go on to the next round, and 2 of them, the foundation and the illuminating primer, are done. So I'm really happy with that. And I'm only introducing 1 single product. It's 1 product, but it's 2 pans out of that product. And it is the Marc Jacobs Leopard Frost. Now, I already have a Pan That palette this year, and it's the Smashbox Matte Exposure. So I'm not introducing this as a Pan That palette, but I am introducing it as a palette where I want to finish up 2 shadows because they are remnants of 2 of 3 shadows that just shattered when I dropped this palette. So this one is completely empty. It completely left the pan, but I have this one, which is Serving Up, and this one, which is Hey Girl Hey, and I want to finish these 2. Now, because there's so little powder left, and powder takes a long time, eyeshadow takes a long time, I'm not going to bother putting this on the scale. I am just going to give you a visual view of the progress, and I'm hoping that in just a couple of updates, these 2 pans will be done. And I am hoping to fill these 2 pans up again with Marc Jacobs not Marc Jacobs, pardon me, but with shadows to refill this palette, because I want to make the last 4 shadows more usable, and right now it's quite limiting to only have 4 in this palette. I have to use a companion palette, and I'd rather have a few shadows that I can readily go into right in the palette itself. So that's my plan anyway. And it is what I have on my eye today, at least on the lid and on the brow bone. So on the lid, I have the deep brown color, which is this one, and it's called On the Runway. And then on my brow bone, I have Hey Girl Hey. And it's a little bit bright for the brow bone, but I just want to use it today. So that is the only additional challenge for this project pan, and I'm hoping that having fewer products in the project pan this month and having mostly products that I just have not focused on enough, that I can make decent progress for you next time. And I have to say, I'm pretty sure that next time I'm going to be rolling things out and rolling things in. So expect a big change for the next update, which will be right around my birthday, actually. The only thing I can say for sure still in this video is that if you want to see progress pictures, they are coming right up. And yeah, let's take a look. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this lackluster update and the progress pictures. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every time. And I do look forward to seeing you in the next video and the next rolling project pan update. Take care.